Okay guys, so this is a Xylo transfer tutorial. This is called a blender marker. Not exactly sure what it contains. It has like a liquid that can help you transfer images. So today we're gonna take this drawing and transfer the image that's already printed on here onto this piece of paper. So what you're gonna do is, this is just an example, you're just gonna put this over. You're gonna find more or less like where you would position it, where you want it. You take the marker and with pressure, you apply it and wet the drawing until you can see everything that you're transferring. Okay. After you get it nice and wet, you take a pencil and you're gonna apply pressure as well as you go over it in a shading fashion. Okay, and once you do that, you just peel the drawing right off and you have a nice transfer image of that onto this piece of paper. Keep in mind, it will always be like a mirror image of that. So if you have something that you want and then you transfer it, it's gonna be the opposite of what you were looking at. Sometimes this marker will dry out. This is called Xylo. If this ever does dry out and you find yourself not seeing it as wet as you usually do, you can take this, dip it in there, get it nice and wet, and it's the same thing. Sometimes you want a specific section of something. So say for this image, you only wanted this poche part. You can take that, cut it out, so that way you can have a better idea of how to line it up on a drawing. So say for instance, I have this and I wanna make this line up. I can take this and almost see where it's gonna be and then do the same thing. And go over it with the marker. Then you take your pencil, do the shading once again. And now you have this nice, you've lined stuff up using different elements. So it's not just black and white ink. The same applies for color. You can transfer anything that's on a piece of copy paper. So again, same thing, you just take your blender marker, go right over this section you want to transfer. Take your pencil. And then once you peel it off, you got a nice color transfer. Okay?